Everybody, and welcome to my channel. I have an unpackaging here from Temu, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, unbag it for you. Man, this bag is really hard to rip open. Okay, this is more like coloring type stuff, I'm pretty sure. So this is, it's like the busy thing that I got. Let's see here. I know you can open it. Okay. Here's the vehicles. They have like stickers and you can put them on there. Okay, so then I got the Real Moments coloring book. The Child Furniture Play coloring book, fun paint it says. I don't know if I guess I did get this one. It just kind of shows you how to color it. I guess I got that one. I had no idea I got that one. Okay, I did get a blanket, coloring blanket from Temu. This one is the deer. I think I gave it like $5 for that. I got the tapestry. No, not tapestry. Look, it has my name on it. It's a little pillowcase with my name on it. Customize that. These are for those hairs that grow in weird places. I got the dog one, dog coloring book. Let's see what this one is. Cozy Paws. That's why I got these. These look super easy to color. This is the Busy Book. Busy Book. Got some stuff on the back. Figure I might put that on my bus and see if the kids enjoy it or whatever. I have no idea what this is. I think this is like a yeah, this is the maze book that I got. Another one of the children's coloring books. The Dog Moments. Cozy Spaces. Pretty sure I have this one already. And Dino World. Let's check in the crevices in there. Nothing else in this bag. Throwing my trash away. Alright, so thanks for watching.